rhythm setting my spirit free. I used to listen to the silence in the dark until you came along and gave my soul a spark. It's not just a feeling, it's a chemical reaction. You're the only one, my cosmic attraction. We're